presents Vibhishan Sharnagati to Lord Sri Ram.
My dear Rakshasa, very soon Ram with the army of monkeys going to attack Lanka. So today we are assembled here to decide what to be done.
O king, why are you so afraid? You are powerful enough to defeat all enemies single-handedly.
Prahast, my dear Commander-in-Chief, what do you feel?
My dear king, we have conquered Devatas, Gandharvs, Danavs, Pisach. Then why should we be afraid of those human beings?
But don't forget that one monkey of that army has destroyed entire Lanka.
That stupid nonsense, Hanuman! Because we were not prepared.
Pitashri, do not worry. I can alone kill that Ram and his entire army. Maharaj Ravan ki jai! Maharaj Ravan ki jai! Maharaj Ravan ki jai!
Dear brother Ram, power in this world is in the hand of virtue, and Ram is supremely virtuous, and we are simply sinful. We don't stand before them. Ram is ever alert and possesses mindless bound. I beg you, Rama, to return Sita to Ram. Vibhishan! Brother, I beg you to return Sita to Ram.
We
Why?
can bust those men.
Why are you so bent upon destruction of this Rakshasa dynasty? No way! I am not going to return Sita at any cost. My brother Rama, I beg you to return Sita to Ram. These ministers are just flattering you out of fear.
Ravan! You kidnapped Sita and you did not even consult us, you fool! You know the religious principles, but yet you came under the influence of Maya's beauty. You are finished, Ravan! Your end is certain! You will meet an undignified end at the hands of that mendicant Ram. However, because you are our king, we will serve you and we will fight for you. I, Kumbhakarna alone, can kill the entire armies of monkeys on my own.
Excellent, Kumbhakarna, excellent. This is what I want all of you to do for me, to fight for me.
My dear father, that Sita will be yours. When we kill that Ram, Sita will have no choice and she will come and submit herself to you.
Indrajit, are you blind? Have you not seen Ram? single-handedly showering arrows from his infallible bows, killing Khar, Dushan, and 14,000 strong army of Rakshasas, sending them to the abode of Yamraj. And he achieved that within an hour, Indrajit, within an hour.
Kaka Shri, are you scared? Huh? Talking completely devoid of courage and heroism. That Ram and his impudent brother Lakshman can be killed by any of these Rakshasas!
How can you forget about Hanuman when he left ocean in a one bound? If a single lone monkey can burn Lanka to brink of ashes, what can a whole army of monkeys can do? Indrajit, what can a whole army of monkeys can do?
Kaka Shri, do not talk like cowards!
Indrajit, you are dull-headed with no intelligence. That's why you are misleading your father. Ravan, I beg you to return Sita to Ram. Ram is not an ordinary man. Vibhishan! It is better to live with an enemy or even with a snake than an unfaithful brother like yourself. Please listen to me, brother. I'm your well-wisher and wants your good. Why are you so bent upon your own destruction? This whole Rakshasa family will get destroyed. Please, I beg you to return Sita to Ram. Vishan, if you are not my brother, I would have killed you. And I would have killed you into pieces. And I don't want to see your face again. So I reject you. Ravan, don't do this. Don't do this, Ravan. Get lost.
रामानास्तिपरायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम् रामं चित्तलया सदा
जय
भवतु
श्री राम।
भो राम
जय श्री राम।
उद्धरः
जय श्री राम।
ओ राम
जय श्री राम।
उद्धरः भो राम माम उद्धरः श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम
Angad, who are these Rakshasas?
Prabhu, I think they are from the side of Lanka.
Let them come. Surely they have some malicious intentions. Let them come. I will kill them.
My dear king of monkeys, I am brother of Ravana, Vibhishan. My brother Ravan has stolen Mother Sita. I tried to convince him to return Sita to Ram, but he has abandoned me. I have came here to surrender to Sri Ram and take shelter of him. Please go and tell him of my intention.
Let's go!
Lord Ram,
Vibhishan, Ravana's brother, has come to surrender to you. But I doubt his intentions. Perhaps he has come to spy on us. No trust should be reposed to him. Please order us so we can decimate him.
so he is from Lanka. What is your opinion, Angad?
Prabhu Sri Ram, regardless of his intentions, he is still a Rakshas. So he will always revert back to his own sinful nature. We cannot afford to take the risk of having him, Prabhu.
Angad is correct, my dear brother. We should kill him or send him back to Lanka.
Calm down, Lakshman, calm down. What is your opinion, my dear Hanuman?
My dear Lordship, you are the knower of everything, and we all can understand. You are inquiring us just to honor us. I have not detected any deceit in speech or intention on Vibhishan. Without doubt, Vibhishan is virtuous and has strong moral principles. He desires to surrender to you and to serve you, my lord.
But this man is sinful and even-hearted by nature. How can we trust him?
I believe we all should accept Vibhishan as a faithful friend. He comes to us with such an honest and pure heart. Let us accept him, my lord.
What if he had been come to spy upon us? Do you think he is spying on us?
I think Vibhishan has been rejected by his own brother. His own brother could not trust him. His own brother. How can we trust him, Lord Ram?
Prabhu, it is better to be safe than sorry.
I'm grateful for the love and affection you all have shown me. I can see you immensely care about my welfare and desire my safety. But even an enemy has to be received with hospitality as per the rules of the scriptures. If a person comes seeking shelter, one must offer him protection, even at the cost of one's own life. I am not concerned about anyone's birth, caste, or position. By all means, I do not desert anyone who comes with a favorable appearance, even if he has a defect. Vibhishan's acceptance is irreproachable in my eyes. Sakrateva prabannayas tavasmiti cha yachate abhayam sarvada tasmai dadati etad vritam mama. Anyone who even once comes and declares with a sincere heart that, oh my Lord, I am yours, then I protect him for eternity. This is my solemn vow. I cannot reject Vibhishan merely on the account of him being brother of Ravan. Please listen. What to speak about Vibhishan? Even if Almighty Ravan comes and surrenders, I will protect him for the rest of eternity.
My Lord Ram, your compassion is personified. Your mercy knows no bounds. Your mercy knows no bounds.
बोलो श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। बोलो श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय।
Bring Vibhishan here, as I've already granted him shelter. Prabhu, my home, family, and possession, and left Lanka to render service to you. I now keep my life at your lotus feet. Please, I beg you to order me. How can I serve you? Vibhishan, my brother, I accept you as my own. Rest assured, be fearless. You are magnanimous, my lord. Who else but you can accept such a fallen person like me? There is no limit to your mercy, my Lord. There is no limit to your mercy. There is no limit to your mercy. Vibhishan, I shall install you upon the royal throne of Lanka.
बोलो महाराज विभीषण की जय। बोलो महाराज विभीषण की जय। बोलो महाराज विभीषण की जय। बोलो श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। बोलो श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। बोलो श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। Thank you, everyone. This drama looks easy now, but it took a lot to get all of us to do anything. Just to start, like we were like robots when we started. So we've come a long way. So it hasn't happened unless a lot of people work in the background. So I would like to thank everyone who all helped in putting this drama together. So the script was written by Her Grace Jai Shri Mataji and Mukund, Bhakta Mukund. The play has been directed by Her Grace Swaha Mataji and Viraj Krishna Prabhu. So these are the people who actually brought life into us robots. So they made a big difference. They brought the characters of the Ramayana out of us, all of us. The background music and sound, thanks to so much to His Grace Rajdham Prabhu. Always selling, even taking pictures now. Okay, and with casting support, so Jai Shri Mataji and Swati Mataji, they really helped us in our practices by providing us prasadam. Haribo! Okay, props. So Bhumi Mataji, Bhakta Mukund. Bhakta Mukund was actually awake till 1 a.m. in the morning making props. So that all the days of the mantra. And also Bhakta Bhavya. Haribo! So makeup was done by Sneha Bhakti Mataji, Radha Priya Mataji. Actually, all different Matajis, so many Matajis help with the makeup. So thank you. Big Haribol to all the Matajis. Okay, and I also at last thank all the devotee actors who took out time to practice and participate as service to Lord Sri Ram. Sri Ramachandra Bhagavan ki.